Hey everybody, Sentai5 here, and welcome to my review of the Typhoon, Double Typhoon, and Kingstone Raise Buckle set. This is available now on Amazon, so if you're interested, the link is in the description below. This set was easily a no-brainer for me because I like these three riders a lot, especially Black, that's my favorite Showa rider. And of course, I always respect my elders. So let's get straight to business and open this package up. My bad, I did not know they were taped in the back like that. So here we are with all three of the raised buckles in the set. First up we have the Typhoon, which is the belt that Ichigo and Nigo use. Looking very nice. I apologize that the color of it kind of blends in with my wall color. Next up is the Double Typhoon for V3. And last but certainly not least, we have the Kingstone, one of my personal favorites. And of course, with any other raised buckle, you need the Desire Driver. We're gonna go chronologically, starting with the Typhoon. Let's try 2 legend raised buckles at a time. Next up, we're going to try them with the Boost Raise Buckle. And just for fun, we're going to try it with the powered buckle. Okay, so overall, I really enjoy this set. Just like any other Legend raised buckle, they have their original sounds from the show inside the Desire Driver, which is really neat. I definitely recommend this set, especially if you're interested in show riders at all. Also, this is a US release now, so if you end up buying it from the official US retailers online and stuff, you'd be supporting Kamen Rider here in North America, and we'd be getting a lot more releases hopefully. So that's always a plus, but obviously don't blindly support things just because you want them to succeed. You gotta spend your money wisely. That's all I could really say, and until next time, I hope you all stay well, and I'll see you around.